Welcome to this case study. Let's take a look at how a Chinese automotive manufacturer improved its test lab operations using the Peak Test Management Suite. This leading OEM specializes in powertrain development, with a subsidiary focused on hybrid and electric vehicle platforms. They faced growing challenges in managing complex workflows, using the gathered test data, and using their test resources. This led to lost test data, last-minute cancelled tests, and an overall unclarity about the usage of important resources, for example, expensive test benches. To improve efficiency, the company needed centralized control, better workflow visibility, and effective conflict avoidance. Therefore, the customer decided to introduce the test management system Peaktems. Core arguments for this software were the ability to visualize the current planning, including problem visualization, and to easily adapt planning via drag and drop. The ability to combine capacity planning with a sophisticated management approval process. The ability to introduce a standardized overall test process, which can be used for the test department collaboration. The test planning at the customer works in 3 phases. A long-term planning over several years ensures that necessary investments in test hardware or outsourced test capacity are done to fulfill the test goals. A mid-term planning makes sure that test resources generally can be prepared and test specifications are filled. A short-time planning allows for the definition of working tasks of specific test stuff and for flexibly readjustments in case of unexpected events. Each test has to go through a defined process with defined steps to ensure the quality of the test description and the finally gathered test data. Therefore, the Peaktems workflow engine has been set up and adjusted to the customer's needs. After implementation, the company saw major improvements: higher test bench utilization, transparent operations, reduced conflicts. Due to the better management of the gathered test data, more knowledge could be won through test data analysis. One of our clients said,
Peak TMS has significantly improved test management and resource scheduling. Conflicts have been effectively avoided.
The success of this project lies in a close collaboration with Peak Solution, combining deep expertise in the German automotive industry with localized support in China and a highly adaptable platform tailored for growth. With PTMS, the manufacturer has optimized its test lab operations, achieved greater transparency, and laid the foundation for future system expansion into other test departments. It is estimated that the cost per executed test have been reduced up to 15% through the intelligent management of the test process. Are you interested in efficient test management? Peak Solution, your trusted partner in smart, future-ready test management. Contact us and try it out now.